Nutmeg Robo-advisor for investing honest review, watch before using. In this video, I'll give you an honest review of Nutmeg, a robo-advisor designed to simplify investing with a hands-off approach. Nutmeg offers a range of features, including personalized investment portfolios, goal-based investing, and low-fee options. It's tailored for beginners who want to get started with investing without the complexity of managing individual stocks or ETFs. Nutmeg is perfect for those who don't have the time or knowledge to manage their investments actively, but still want their money working for them. The platform uses algorithms to select and manage investments in a range of pre-built portfolios based on your risk tolerance, goals, and time horizon. It also allows for automatic rebalancing, which ensures your portfolio stays aligned with your goals without needing to make adjustments manually. One of Nutmeg's standout features is its transparency. You'll get clear insights into your portfolio's performance, fees, and the expected returns over time. They also offer socially responsible investment options for those who prioritize ethical investing. However, while Nutmeg is user-friendly, it's not the cheapest option out there. The fees can add up depending on the level of service you choose, with higher fees for the more personalized options. Additionally, the investment strategy may not be ideal for those seeking more control or specialized investment strategies, as the portfolios are primarily composed of index funds and ETFs. On the positive side, Nutmeg offers a hands-off approach for people looking to get into investing without the stress of managing everything themselves. It's also a good option for those with mid to long-term investment horizons, as the platform focuses on gradual wealth building. But if you're looking for something more active or with a wider variety of investments, Nutmeg might not meet all your needs. Overall, Nutmeg is an excellent option for beginners or anyone who values convenience and transparency in investing. However, if you're someone who wants more control or a broader range of investment options, you may want to explore other platforms. So, is Nutmeg worth it? It depends on your investing goals. If simplicity and ease are your priorities, Nutmeg does its job well.